Yeah. Good morning, students. In dielectrics, I missed the topic of local field. So here I want to clarify the doubts related to the local field, and I'm deriving the expression for local field also. Till now, we heard about the electric field, external electric field, or internal electric field. But we didn't hear any kind of local field. And what is the exact definition of the local field in dielectrics? For example, when I take in capacitor, a parallel plate, capacitor. Here, I given this connection to the positive terminal of the capacitor, and it is given as negative terminal of the capacitor. Then all the positive charge is accumulated here, and all the negative charge is accumulated here. So the electric field is set up between the two different kind of charge carriers, and the field direction is from the positive to the negative. This is the external electric field. When you place a dielectric material in between the parallel plate capacitor, in between the parallel plate capacitor, here the material consists the positive and negative charge carriers, and the center of the positive and the center of the negative charge carriers are coincide in a dielectric material without applying any kind of electric field. For example, I take in a material, it has different kinds of atoms. It has n number of atoms. Each atom has the positive charge and negative charge. The center of the positive charge and the center of the negative charge is both are coincide together. So there is no dipole movement takes place in this particular dielectric material. Here, I place the material inside the zero electric field. That means there is no electric field is applied on this material. So because of that, the charge separation between the positive and negative charges like D is zero. Therefore, dipole moment, then charge into distance separation between the two charge carriers is also zero, because as the D is zero, there is no dipole moment. So generally dipole moment is according to the intermediate portion, we are represented with the small p, or else here we are used to symbol like mu to represent the dipole moment. So the polarization is nothing but dipole moment per unit volume. So that is also zero. There is no polarization exists inside the dielectric material when it is not influenced by the any kind of external electric field. But when you place that material inside the external electric field, when you place that material inside the external electric field, here the positive and negative charges, positive is moved towards the electric field direction and negative is in the opposite direction. Then there is a charge separation takes place. Then dipole moment is not a zero value. So here the dipole moment is Here, dipole moment is not a here dipole moment is not a zero value, then Q into D is exists, then dipole moment per unit volume is also exists. That is nothing but the polarization. So the polarization exists in dielectric materials when it is placed in the external electric field. So just try to understand this concept here. When I place the dielectric material inside the external electric field like E, the positive is separated and negative is also separated. The positive and negatives are separated. All the negatives are accumulated towards the positive plate. All the positives are accumulated at the end of the dielectric material, which is near to the negative capacitor. So see here, this is the positive and this is the negative. This is a positive and negative, and the electric field is applied due to these positive and negative charge carriers in this direction. This is due to the polarized charge carriers. Because of the polarization within the dielectric material, electric field is created. Electric field is created, but it is opposite to the direction of the external electric field. So therefore, the resultant electric field, that means when you take in a atom, when you take in any atom of the dielectric material, is not only influenced by the external electric field, it is also influenced by the electric field caused due to the dipoles. The resultant electric field on this particular atom is called as local field. Is it clear? So the local field is nothing but resultant electric field on resultant electric field on particular atom of the dielectric material, on particular atom of the dielectric, on particular atom of the dielectric, when it is placed in an external electric field, right? So I want to calculate the local field, that is the resultant electric field on this particular atom of the dielectric material by using the Lagrange method. Lagrange method is used to measure the local field, right? I will explain the derivation related to the local field by using the Lagrange method in the next